Hey everyone, I'm Mike from Process Vision Partners. Today we're going to explore how Microsoft tools can significantly enhance your business operations. Specifically, we'll look at how to use Dataverse for data storage, Power Apps for user interaction, and Power BI for data visualization. In this example, I'll be using a prototype application I've been developing for my company to assist in our website development process. All data used in this example is not real and generated for the purposes of this demonstration. Let's start with Dataverse. Here's where we store our core data. We use three main tables: contacts, orders, and projects. The contacts table houses all client information such as contact details and company specifics. The order table will track website orders. This table helps us keep tabs on different package options and their pricing. The project table is essential for tracking each project through its stages: design, build, and implementation, and store related files. Next, let's move on to Power Apps. This tool provides a user-friendly interface for interacting with the data stored in Dataverse. Here's how it helps. In the Contact section of the app, users can access and manage client information easily. With Power Apps, you can view, edit, and update content details on the fly. In the Order Tracking section of the app, users can manage and track orders efficiently. You can see order details, calculate prices, and update order statuses in real time. In the Project section of the app, you can keep tabs on project milestones and manage tasks directly through the app. Now let's look at Power BI. This tool converts data from Dataverse into valuable visualizations and reports. For this example, I am using Power BI to visualize the success rate of my web development projects. With this tool, I can see how projects are performing at different stages and identify trends or issues that need attention. Interestingly enough, all of this is still achieved without using Power Automate, but imagine what more you could do with it. For instance, you could automate tasks such as sending emails, forwarding files to SharePoint folders, and more. The integration between these Microsoft tools offer incredible possibilities for enhancing your business processes. If you're interested in building a custom application for your business, you can contact us through our website at processvisionpartners.com. We offer insights and services to help you get the most out of these technologies. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe for more updates. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. See you next time.